I am S. Lakshmipriya and currently I am pursuing my MA English in Kongu College of Arts and Science, Karur. I wake up one fine morning and found myself famous. It is a quote told by Lord Byron. We are the students of Kongu College. Our words are incomplete without the attest of the quotes. As Byron wakes up and finds himself famous, the students of Kongu College find themselves famous by expressing their synergetic performance in the every sides of force they faced. The program of Kongu College took place in each category like workshop, conference, seminar, symposium, paper presentation and intercollegiate exit. The staff belonged to the Department of English has supported and encouraged us to the core. Without their guidance, our part of participation would be incomplete. Always, we are pleased to thank to the staffs belonging to the Department of English. Now, I feel very pleased to introduce the achievements of Kongu College. We participated in various programs like National Conference in Nirmala College at Coimbatore, National Workshop in Nirmala College at Coimbatore, State Level Intercollegiate at St. Joseph College in Tirupur, English Carnival in Parvati Science College at Dindigul, National Symposium at National College at Tiruchi and participated in Anugraha College of Dindigul. For the innovative paper presentation, the staffs from the Department of English has instructed and taught a lot. Thanks to all the professors. The achievements of Kongu College express how they accomplished and the way the students used their knowledge. I represent the academic achievements of Kongu College. The students S. Lakshmipriya and Dhanalakshmi has presented a paper in Kongu College of Arts and Science, Erode. The other student, Sibi, has presented a paper in International Conference at Bishop Heber College, Tiruchi. Our students has participated in National Conference at Vivekananda College at Madurai. Moreover, this conference is a UGC approved one. Our talents even in inter-college meet. For this, the management of Kongu College provided us permission. Without them, our success would not be. Thanks for the all. The winners of our Kongu College are: in St. Joseph College for Women, our students picked up with the first and third prize in face painting. Also, they won third prize in mime. In Parvati's College, our undergrads recaptured first prize in Talantia, second prize in vegetable carving and third prize in Mehendi. In Anugraha College of Social Science, our students carried off with second prize in literary round. Sports achievements are: the pride of our Department of English is Maunika. Monica has got first prize in district level athletics conducted by Karur District Athletic Association. To the bliss, Monica got second prize in the state level championship trophy held at Karur. A hearty thanks to the management of Kongu College. We proved ourselves in non-literary events. The students named V. Lakshmanan, C. Praveen Kumar has been the winners in league match in Karur district. National duties. Serving nation is the duty of each and every citizen. Not only the students of Kongu College achieved lot of things, but we too always served our nation well. The students of Kongu College named Saran did some national duty as a surgeon. Even the other student of Kongu College in Zamam has involved in national duty as a corporate. University achievements. The national pride of the Department of English is Sibi. Sibi is the only one student selected from Kongu College among the 16 members from Tamil Nadu. I feel very proud to say that I too one of the student of Department of English. Sibi is the correspondent of Kongu College and he is selected for the National Integration Camp 2020 held in Jammu University at Jammu, organized by the central government. Since again, I feel very proud to say that I too one of the student of the Department of English. The students of Kongu College named P. Praveen has participated in a tennis at Bharatdasan University and he secured the second prize. The mime team from the Department of English has participated in BDU Fest in 2018 and 2019. These team won prize in 2019. The of English department has always proved that there are no tired people. For each participation of the students, the management's part is inevitable. Sibi once again as the numero uno of our Kongu College because he has proved himself by collecting the third prize in slogan writing held with the Bharatdasan and NSS organized program for the 150th birthday anniversary of Gandhi. Also, Sibi has won second prize in elocution held at NIC in Jammu. Department scored university ranks in every year. The university ranks from the Department of English shows the contribution of the staffs and the students. The prominent of all is our Kalai Chelvi collected gold medal and she is from BA English. The students of Kongu College named Anita got gold and silver medal and she is from MA English. For each ranks, the contribution of the staff and their guidance in right time and their effective special classes resulted in university ranks. Placements. We kindly thank to the placement in charge sir and the management who arranged the placement for us. Even I too selected in 2 companies. Thanks for the management and principal sir. The students of Kongu College named S. Lakshmi Priya, K. Naveen Kumar, S. Gayatri has selected in TCS. Also in AB company, the students of Kongu College S. Lakshmi Priya, M. Jamuna, J. Franklin and S. Gayatri are to selecting. In Sing Multivisual Media, the students of Kongu College named S. Raghavi, T. Shanti, S. Nancy Jaya are selected. Department features. The most notable feature of the Department of English is our language lab. Usually, most of the labs are built for chemistry, physics, biology, etc. But the only college in Karur which has language lab for the English is our Kongu College of Arts and Science, Karur. The language lab of Department of English was opened by actress Radhika Sarathkumar. Kongu College has created many opportunities to us. They leave us to work independently even in computers in order to get wisdom. The language lab is open for the students to come out from the struggle in language, in grammar and to enrich the students as skill. We are always thankful to the Kongu College. The dope of the English department is Unicorn English Literary Association and its inauguration. The students from the Department of English installed the club successfully. The Unicorn English Literary Association has its postings as President, Vice President and Treasurer. Even some of the postings given to the some other members too. Even though the management helped us academically, but our HOD and staff from the Department of English helped us to improve our talents more by conducting activities once in the week of every Fridays. Being a student from the Department of English, I really thank to the HOD and the staffs providing with such great opportunities. Games and the activities include collage, spell bee, quiz, wealth out of waste, just a minute, mime, one-act play, literary games, parade, soliloquy, essay writing, poetry writing and even drawing. The highlight of our game is prizes, medals, trophies are given for the first time to the literary games. Thank you everyone.